Ready to turn your WordPress site into a powerful online learning hub but overwhelmed by the LMS plugin options? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of 3 leading LMS plugins, Learndash, Learnpress, and Tutor LMS, helping you choose the perfect fit for your unique online teaching needs. First up, Learndash. This is a premium powerhouse known for its robust course creation capabilities. Notice the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it super easy to structure your courses with lessons, topics, and quizzes. It's ideal if you need advanced features like dripped content and assignment management, but keep in mind it comes with a price tag. Next, we have Learnpress. Learnpress offers a fantastic entry point with a core plugin that's completely free. You can create courses, quizzes, and manage students without spending a dime. It boasts a user-friendly interface, making it great for beginners. Keep in mind that for more advanced features, you'll need to invest in paid add-ins. Finally, Tutor LMS. This plugin focuses on a streamlined front-end course building experience for instructors and offers a clean, modern student dashboard. Its intuitive design makes it appealing for both instructors and learners. While it has a free version, its full potential unlocks with a premium license. So, how do you choose? Consider your budget. Learnpress's free core is great to start. What features are essential? Need complex quizzes? Learndash excels. How much control do instructors need? Tutor LMS shines with front-end course creation. By carefully evaluating your needs, desired features, and budget, you can confidently select the LMS plugin that will best empower you to create engaging and effective online learning experiences.